Hello students, today we will discuss about essay on science in daily life. Okay. Science is the breath of modern life. It has made our life too complex that we cannot think of life without science. Even the smallest thing of our daily use like needles, stoves and clocks are the gifts of the science. It has placed the magical powers into the hands of mankind. It is with the help of science that man has more or less conquered the forces of nature. The wonderful invention of science, like the railway engine, that radio and television, have made our life very comfortable. Modern science and technology have made it possible for man to reach the moon. Science has brought a change in human thinking towards religion, morality, and traditional values of life. Means of transport and communication. The inventions of the quick means of transport like the motor cars, railway trains, ships, and aeroplanes have reduced distance and made the earth smaller. The telephone, the telegraph, and the wireless have helped men to send message from one comer to another in no time. One can go round the earth within less than 24 hours. With the advancement of modern space technology, it has become possible for man to reach the moon within less than 4 days and to send back messages to the earth in no time. Okay. Next, recreation and entertainment. Science has wonderful for our private and social recreation. With the help of our radio sets, we can hear and enjoy music speeches of our great leaders and a running commentary of the Olympic Games. Television is even more wonderful and than the radio. Through a television set we can hear and also see the artists with our own eyes. The cinema is the most popular form of our recreation. Next, powerful machines and electricity. The invention of power-driven machines have introduced a great change in industries. Mills and factories produce things of our daily use. The gift of electricity has placed unlimited power into the hands of mankind. It not only runs our factories and mills but also light our houses, cools and warms our rooms and works our fans. Okay. Next, medical science. Next क्या है? Medical sciences. Wonderful inventions and discoveries have been made in the field of medical sciences. The discovery of X-rays has helped the doctors internal disease of human body. The inventions of drugs of several kinds have not only controlled disease but also reduced human death rate. Surgical operations and plastic surgery have now become the normal things of our life. Next is science and agriculture. The inventions of agricultural machines and chemical fertilizers have increased production. The constructions of canals and dams has also helped in increasing food production and lessening the possibility of flood and fear of famine. Next, inventions of war armaments. The inventions of war armaments like atom bombs, hydrogen bombs, and intercontinental ballistic missiles are the most destructive things with the coming of such deadly weapons. The danger of war has increased. War has remained no more limited in time, place, and consequences, yet they are the most wonderful things. Next, science and religion. The wonderful contribution of science towards human progress is that it has helped men to cultivate a critical attitude towards everything in life. It is this spirit of science that has removed superstitions, it has shaken the roots of traditional beliefs and compelled men to review traditional concepts of morality in the new light. The science has not only added to our material welfare but also widened the horizon of human thinking. Shakespeare has said there is nothing either good, bad, but thinking makes it. So science in itself is not bad. In fact, it is blessing to mankind. If science is used for constructive purpose, it is boon to all mankind. If it is used for destructive purpose, it will prove curse and destroy human civilization. It will serve mankind so long as it under the control of right thinking people. It will turn violent and threaten destroy human civilization only if human thinking goes wrong. Next are various gifts of science: electricity, wonderful drugs, means transport and communications, powerful machines and means of recreation and entertainment are the various gifts of science. Science has increased material wealth and prosperity. It has made our life very comfortable. It has reduced human sufferings. It has helped farmers to grow more food. But the tragedy of modern civilization is that our life is completely controlled. The progress of science has changed the whole outlook of man towards life and its aims. It has made us highly materialistic. We have lost faith in God and high moral values. The sources of pity, sympathy, charity, and brotherhood have dried up in the human heart. It has made man a tool in the age of machinery. While science has invented power driven engines and machines and brought about an industrial revolution in the world, it has given birth to many social and economic hardships and evils. It has split up mankind into two varying classes, the capitalist and the labor. Both the classes are deadly opposed to each other. The rich exploit the poor. This system is responsible not only for widespread miseries but also for new emotional tensions in the world. Science has given us big machines to work with. They have removed our drudgery and saved our time for making ourselves more cultured. The greatest misfortune of man of today is that he is making more and bigger machines in the time that saved. He is expanding his precious more and bigger machines in the time that saved. Okay. Instead of being their master, he has become a slave to them. The bigger machines, which work faster and better, have posed a serious threat to mankind. The truth about science is that it is blessing if it is rightly used, but it is a curse if it is wrongly used. It is indeed a good servant. Nothing can serve us better, but nothing can harm us more if we allow to the become our master. Humanity faces destructions unless the destructive forces of science are kept in sufficient check. Okay. Thank you for watching.